Three men died from fiery car crash in St. Andrew. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Three men died as a result of injuries they sustained in a fiery car crash along the Mayscus Main Road near Michael College in St. Andrew early Sunday morning. The deceased are Tavon Miller, who is said to have been in his 20s, 19-year-old Dante Francis, both of Regent Street in Kingston, and 33-year-old Andre Wright of Anderson Road, Kingston. Initial reports are that at around 1:45 a.m., a Nissan motor car with several occupants on board was being driven along the roadway when the driver lost control of the vehicle, which crashed into an embankment. The vehicle reportedly burst into flames.
Claude, John Star. And they're wearing that back, reaching it still. We never hear him at all, I breathe, Hear a sound all time. I don't want to explode and lick the vehicle.
Yo, 2 people in there! 3 people in there! 3 people in there!
And that means I never know so much people left back in there. Around 7 of them still, almost 4 we take out. My more fire reach him.
Hurry up! See them a move.
Fire hold him.
You them my you them dog from you for them one dog. You them give for them one dog. Chairman youth. And them give for them one dog.
Better look how this fall up, Taji.
Dog.
Blood dog.
I know dog. I know man you. Why the man them dog?
Vice Chairman of the National Road Safety Council, Dr. Lucian Jones, described the incident as a tragedy. He said that yesterday's morning accident has brought the country's death toll on the nation's road from January 1st to 47. He also said that 17 of those deaths occurred in this month.
An absolute disaster on our roads. The report suggests that excessive speed was a problem, losing control, and apparent error of judgment. We are losing far too many of our people unnecessarily on our roads. So far, 47 persons have died for this year, and for this month, 17 persons have died. This is not good. We need to redouble our efforts to make sure that people just slow down in this country. The police are working hard, but drivers have to get to the program. If you slow down, you save your life and save the lives of other people. 3 dead in one crash is a serious matter.
Passers-by were able to remove all 7 occupants from the vehicle before it was engulfed in flames. The injured persons were transported to the hospital, where the 3 men were pronounced dead and the 4 other individuals hospitalized for treatment. The police are continuing with their investigation. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.